Bravo on your progress. Now that we've covered the mindset and attitude needed for success, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of the recruitment process. This is like getting a detailed blueprint of a building before you start construction. It gives you a clear picture of what needs to be done and how to do it. 1. Job analysis. The first step in the recruitment process is understanding the job role. This involves analyzing the job requirements, skills needed, and the responsibilities of the role. It's like creating a sketch of your ideal candidate. 2. Sourcing candidates. Once you have a clear understanding of the role, the next step is to find suitable candidates. This could involve posting job ads, searching through job portals, or tapping into your professional network. It's like casting a net into the sea of potential candidates. 3. Screening and shortlisting. After sourcing, you'll have a pool of potential candidates. The next step is to screen these candidates and shortlist the ones that best fit the role. This involves reviewing resumes, conducting initial interviews, and assessing the candidate's skills and experience. 4. Interviewing. The shortlisted candidates are then interviewed to further assess their suitability for the role. This could involve technical interviews, behavioral interviews, or even practical tests. It's like taking a test drive before buying a car. 5. Selection and offer. After the interviews, the best candidate is selected for the role. An offer is made, which includes details about the job role, salary, and other benefits. It's like extending an invitation to join the team. 6. Onboarding. Once the offer is accepted, the candidate is onboarded into the company. This involves introducing them to the team, explaining company policies, and providing any necessary training. It's like welcoming a new member into the family. Remember, the recruitment process is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It can vary based on the company, the role, and the specific needs of the job. However, understanding the basic steps can provide a solid foundation to build upon. So, are you ready to dive into the world of recruitment? Let's get started.